Most of the time when something is deemed extinct. That's a done deal, end of story. Just ask the dinosaurs. Within our human existence we've seen quite a few animal species meet their bitter end. There's the golden toad, the giant moa, the dodo bird, and the Tasmanian tiger, just to name a few. Most animals go extinct because of environmental factors or because they are just hunted into oblivion for their skin or coat, some even for food. But recently there is one animal who has seemed to reverse the trend of extinction, being the last hurrah. A species of bird named the Aldabra white-throated railbird was declared extinct, a victim of rising sea levels almost 100,000 years ago. The Aldabra was a flightless bird that inhabited the island of Aldabra, hence the name. Aldabra is the world's second largest coral atoll, which is situated in the Indian Ocean and are part of the outer islands of the Seychelles. Fast forward to 2020, in the weirdest turn of events, the flightless brown bird has recently been spotted, leaving people and scientists baffled as to how and why the species has respawned, so to speak. After countless research, some answers began to arise. The newly found Aldabra bird seems to be a product of what is called iterative evolution. That's when old genes thought to have died out re-emerge at a different point in time. Simply put, the Aldabra is part of a species of birds called rails, as mentioned earlier. Not all rail species are flightless though, in fact, most of them actually fly. But it is thought that the original flightless Aldabra rail, when it arrived on the island of Aldabra, because of a lack of predators, abundant food, and the passage of time, prompted a new branch of the rail family tree to form. The birds that stayed on the island eventually evolved away from flight, becoming completely ground-dwelling animals. And to think, I am a land-dwelling mammal wishing that I could fly. But sadly the Aldabra were completely wiped out because of this. When the atoll was submerged due to rising sea levels some 136,000 years ago, the flightless form of the bird species completely disappeared. But eventually over time the atoll actually began to re-emerge, and when this happened, rails once again began to move in. And again, similar to the same scenario as before, over time a lack of predators and abundant food has caused the birds to evolve once again and to lose their ability to fly for a second time. So, I guess they just get kind of lazy in a sense, and also the saying, if you don't use it you lose it, immediately comes to mind. But who could blame them for being lazy, having their own private island and all? Anyhow, what do you think about this? Do you think any other species could possibly respawn themselves in a similar sort of fashion? Leave your answer in the comments below. And also share this to someone or somewhere that might find this interesting or have their own unique and thoughtful opinion. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon. Now this concludes our list. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the vid. If you did, please consider like and subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of the great content we have in store. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye for now.